up? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today, we're just gonna make whatever I can find in my fridge. And this is fully inspired by Dope Kitchen. Shout out to Nicole, we love her. So let's see what we can find. I haven't gone grocery shopping in a while, so it is slim pickings. Okay, I found some rice. This feels like a good thing, a good base. Garlic herb chicken sausage. Okay, things are warming up. All right, so rice and chicken sausage. What can we do with that? Chicken sausage fried rice, because I think I have the other things you need to make fried rice. Some egg. Ooh, I even have some peas that I can put in there. Right, we got stuff working now. All right, full disclosure, guys. This rice isn't the traditional rice that you're supposed to use for fried rice. It's long grain rice. This is basmati rice, and I feel like fried rice is traditionally made from old, like leftover sticky white rice, which is short grain. But this rice is already seasoned with a little bit of butter and bouillon, like the water had butter and bouillon in it. So I'm gonna make some adjustments because of that. All that said though, let's dive in. So I'm gonna start by cooking these through first. I'm gonna throw them in the air fryer. Oh, are these expired? No, we're good. We're good. It says December 14th, we're good. I did buy them like over a month ago though, so that's, I'm not gonna think about it too much. Tiniest little pot for the peas. The amount of ice on these. Now I'm baked. Now I'm gonna start cooking the eggs. I should be using a cutting board to cut these sausages, but I don't want to wash it. Okay, I got some momentum now. It's good. It's a good sausage. Oh, look at our little spread of ingredients. So cute. All right, let's do this. I should have done a bigger pan. Shout out to my industrial-sized soy sauce. This is delicious. Wow. Honestly, when I first started cooking it, it kind of looked like, I don't know, like, you know how like moms sometimes they'll make you like, or dads, I'll make you like rice, hot dogs, and peas. This was giving that, and it was that. But I'd like to point out that it's chicken sausage, so it's more refined. It's not just a glizzy. Wow. I'm sorry this upload is so late this week. I'm trying my best, guys. I've had a lot going on, and I just haven't been managing my time the best. I hope you enjoyed this random video of me cooking whatever I could find in my fridge. If you're still watching this video right now, comment Sausage Gang. All right, well, make sure you're paying attention on my other channel because we're doing Vlogmas over there. I'm gonna still try to keep up with uploading these on Wednesdays. No, I don't know. These uploads might get pushed to Saturdays. Bear with me. But I'm still gonna try to upload here once a week. But we're gonna be uploading Wednesdays and Sundays on the main channel. So make sure you're over there. I will see you next week. Make good choices. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. All right. Bye.